Hey all, hope you all are doing well. Today I am going to explain the question, simplify the following expression. We have to multiply these two expressions, 3 plus root 3 multiplied by 2 plus root 2. Okay, so let's see how to solve this. So in this, you can do it in either ways, whether it will be like 3 multiplied with this expression plus root 3 multiplied with this second expression, or 2 multiplied with the first expression plus root 2 multiplied with this first expression. Okay, you can do it in either ways. So now let's see how to do. 3 plus root 3 multiplied by 2 plus root 2. So this 3 I am going to multiply with this second expression first. Then what is the sign here? What is the operation sign here? Plus. So we'll put here plus sign, and then root 3 will be multiplied with 2 plus root 2. Okay? Then 3 2s are 6 plus 3 into root 2 will be 3 root 2 plus root 3 into 2 will be 2 root 3, yeah, root 3 2 multiplied by 2. Both are same. Plus here it is the plus sign, so plus root 3 into root 2 will be root 6. Okay. Now as you can see that there are no like terms, we can stop here. Okay. So the value of 3 plus root 3 into 2 plus root 2 is equal to 6 plus 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 plus root 6.